Assalamualaikum to our beloved lecturer. Our group will be presented about motto Takaful by Etiqa. Before we start with our presentation, I would like to introduce our group members first. Our group members consist of Nur Fahira Atiqah binti Ali, Farah Ashikin binti Rosni, Siti Maisara binti Syamsul Kamal, Nurul Fitrana binti Maulan, and Nur Ain Syuhada binti Zainal Abidin. Let's start with our presentation with the first presenter, which is Ain Syuhada.
Hello, my name is Nur Ain Syuhada binti Zainal Abidin. My group chose Motto Takaful as our topic for the group assignment. Takaful has been formed in Malaysia as an option for Malaysians, particularly Muslim, for avoiding the components restricted in Islam. Motto Takaful, commonly referred to as Islamic Motor Insurance, is a category of insurance that fulfilled by Islamic Sharia law. Participants in this collaborative kind of insurance combine their resources to assist and pay people who experience losses. Similar to the traditional motor insurance, Motto Takaful specializes in offering coverage for the cars. The utilization of the interest, riba, uncertainty, gharar, and gambling maisir, however, is forbidden according to the Islamic rules, which govern how it functions. Motto Takaful salient characteristics are as follows. The first one is tabaru. Participants provide a percentage of their premiums to a communal funds as a gift to assist other policyholders in the event of losses. The money is utilized for management expenses and paying for the reimbursement. The second one is Sharia compliance. Motto Takaful is governed by Islamic norms. Investing with the money pool is limited to the Sharia compliant operation, such as charitable contributions and also organizations that do not engage in bad actions. The third one is risk sharing. Motto Takaful is built on a idea of mutual collaboration and joint accountability. Policyholders pool their risks and the excess generated by the pools can be handed back to the members in either the manner of the extra sharing or a decrease for subsequent premiums. The fourth one is prohibited riba. Motto Takaful eliminates driven by the interest payments. Rather of collecting interest on deposit funds, any revenues earned by the Sharia-compliant funding are distributed among those who participated. Lastly, prohibited gharar. Agreement certainty and disclosure are critical in Takaful. The rules, conditions, and limitations are fully described. Therefore, all participants are aware of its purpose and scope of the protection. Furthermore, Motto Takaful covers a variety of hazards, including unintentional loss, theft, burning, and third-party liability. It provides automobile owners with privilege and safeguards while keeping to Islamic ideals and also moral standards. Comprehensive Motto Takaful from Etiqa provides extensive coverage for your vehicle, protecting you against various risks and perils. Here are some key features and benefits of Etiqa Comprehensive Motto Takaful. The first one is accidental damage coverage. This Takaful plan recovers the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle if it is damaged due to an accident. It includes both minor and major accidents, such as overturning or damage caused by the falling objects. The second one is the theft coverage. If your vehicle is stolen, Etiqa Comprehensive Motto Takaful provides coverage for the loss. The Takaful will reimburse you for the issued value of the vehicle, subject to the policy term and condition. The third one is third-party liability coverage. This Takaful plan also covers your legal liability towards third party for bodily injury, death, or property damage caused by the vehicle. It provides financial protection against the legal expenses and compensation claims from affected third parties. The fourth one is windscreen coverage. Etiqa Comprehensive Motor Takaful typically includes coverage for windscreen damage. It covers the repair of replacement cost of your vehicle windscreen or windows in case of accidental. Fifth is personal accident coverage. Some comprehensive motor takaful plans may also include personal accidental coverage for the driver and passengers. It provides financial compensation for accidental deaths, permanent disability, medical expenses, and other related costs resulting from a covered accident. Next, I will pass to the mic, Sarah.
So thank you Nur and Syuhada. My name is Siti Maisara binti Syamsul Kamal. I will continue to the second types of motor takaful in Etiqa. The second type is third-party motor takaful. This coverage is specifically designed to protect you against third-party liabilities, including bodily injury and property damage caused by your vehicle. It does not cover any damage or losses to your own vehicle. So, full coverage. Third-party motor takaful covers the legal liabilities you may incur due to an accident involving your vehicle. It includes bodily injury or death of third parties and damage to their property. Next point is bodily injury coverage. If you're responsible for an accident that causes bodily injury or death to a third party, Etiqa's third-party motor takaful will provide coverage for medical expenses, hospitalization costs, and compensation for disability or death. The coverage amount may vary based on the specific takaful plan you choose. For the property damage coverage, in this case, your vehicle causes damage to someone else's property, such as another vehicle or public infrastructure. Etiqa's third-party motor takaful will cover the cost of repairing or replacing the damaged property. For legal costs, Etiqa's third-party motor takaful may also cover legal costs if you need to defend yourself against claims made by third parties involved in the accident. For exclusions, it is important to note that third-party motor takaful typically does not cover damage or losses to your own vehicle. It also may not cover intentional acts, racing, or other activities not permitted by the takaful policy. The third type is Motor Takaful Plus. This is an enhanced version of the comprehensive Motor Takaful plan, offering additional benefits such as coverage for personal accident, medical expenses, and roadside assistance. So under this, we have comprehensive coverage. Motor Takaful Plus includes all the coverage provided by a comprehensive Motor Takaful plan. It offers protection for accidental damage, thief, fire and natural disaster to your own vehicle, as well as third-party liabilities for bodily injury and property damage. For personal accident coverage, Motor Takaful Plus provides coverage for personal accident, offering financial protection in case of bodily injury or death sustained by the vehicle owner or passengers due to an accident. This coverage may include medical expenses, hospitalization costs, and compensation for disability or death. For medical expenses, in addition to personal accident coverage, Motor Takaful Plus may include coverage for medical expenses incurred by the vehicle owner or passengers due to an accident. This can help cover the cost of hospitalization, medical treatments, and related to expenses. For the next point is roadside assistance. Etiqa's Motor Takaful Plus may offer roadside assistance service in case of vehicle breakdowns, flat tires, or other roadside emergencies. This can include services like towing, battery jump start, full delivery, and locksmith assistance. Additional benefits depending on the specific Motor Takaful Plus plan. Etiqa may offer additional benefits such as coverage for loss of personal belongings, car rental reimbursement, or windscreen damage. These additional benefits can vary, so it's important to review the specific details of the plan you choose. The last type is Motor Takaful for commercial vehicles. Etiqa may also offer takaful coverage for commercial vehicles such as trucks, vans, or taxis. These policies are tailored to meet the specific needs of businesses that use vehicles for commercial purposes. So under this, we have coverage for commercial vehicles. Etiqa's Motor Takaful for commercial vehicles offer protection for various types of vehicles used for commercial purposes such as trucks, vans, taxis, buses, and other vehicles used for transportation or delivery services. Comprehensive coverage, which is similar to the comprehensive motor takaful for personal vehicles. The coverage for commercial vehicles includes protection against accidental damage, thief, fire, and natural disasters. It covers damage to the insured vehicle as well as liabilities for third-party bodily injury and property damage. For the third-party liability coverage, Motor Takaful for commercial vehicle provide coverage for legal liabilities arising from accident involving the insured vehicle that result in bodily injury or property damage to third parties. It help businesses fulfill their financial obligation towards third parties. For optional add-ons, Etiqa may offer optional add-on coverage for commercial vehicles, allowing businesses to customize their takaful plan based on their specific needs. These add-ons may include coverage for goods in transit, loss of use or hire, equipment breakdown, or additional coverage for specific types of cargo. Fleet coverage, Etiqa may offer fleet coverage options for businesses with multiple vehicles. Fleet takaful plans provide a convenient way to insure and manage the insurance needs of a fleet of vehicles under a single policy. For risk management solution, Etiqa may provide risk management solution and service to help businesses mitigate and minimize risks associated with their commercial vehicle operations. This can include safety training, driver behavior monitoring, and other risk management initiatives. Okay, I will pass to the next presenter, which is Fahira.
Hi, my name is Farah Ashikin. I will present about how to make a claim. So there are 4 basic steps to make a claim. The first one is contact the claims care line at 1300881007. The second one is email your claim to etiqa@claims@etiqa.com.my. The third one is you can also send a WhatsApp message regarding the claim you want to make to 0327804677 or scan the provided QR code. The last one is you can also make a claim through the Etiqa Auto Assist application. There are 2 types of claims that consumer can make against their own insurance company. If the accident is caused by your own fault, you must make an own damage claim to your insurance company. However, if the accident is not caused by your own fault, you can make a own damage not-for-naught claim. The not-for-naught claim can benefit the consumer by saving time as the claim is settled faster. The second benefit is that you will not lose the no-claim discount and can claim access from the other insurance company. To make a claim, you must submit several important documents to your insurance company, such as the first one, complete claim form. The second one, original copy of the police report, and the third one is copy of the identification card and driving license of the policy holder and driver. Additionally, you must include a copy of the vehicle ownership certificate. Take pictures of the accident scene and the damage to your vehicle. Lastly, bring along the insurance policy document that states which party is liable for the traffic violation. The next one is third-party property damage claim. You can also make a third-party property damage claim if the damage to your car or property is a result of another party's fault and you have suffered financial losses such as charge, compensation, assessed repair time. To make a third-party property damage claim, follow this step. Firstly, you must send the damaged vehicle to the insurance company's panel workshop. The second one is appoint an insurance coordinator to assess the cost of the car damage. The third one is you need to provide documents to the other insurance company such as the original copy of the police report, copies of the identification card and driving license of the policyholder and driver. And the fourth one is you also need to submit a copy of the vehicle ownership certificate, adjusted report, repair bill, pictures of the accident scene, and the insurance policy documents stating the statement of liability for the traffic violation. Before you have an insurance policy from Etiqa, you can download the application form and other important documents in advance from the Etiqa website based on the type of insurance and takaful you want to obtain. For example, you can download the general Takaful application form to get protection from Etiqa. After you have submitted your insurance and Takaful application, you can check whether your application status has been approved or not. Here, I will share ways to find out whether your application has been approved or not. One of them is through the application iSearch. One way to check your car insurance with any insurance company online is through the application iSearch. This application provides information related to insurance companies, policy periods, types of coverage, and more, all online. The steps to find out which insurance company you are using with the iSearch application are as follows. The first one, visit the website www.mycaring4.com.my. The second one is click on iSearch and enter all the required information in the display such as vehicle registration number, name, email, confirm email and transaction credit, then click the inquire button. Also, click on the terms and conditions section. After that, all the information you are looking for will be displayed such as the policy period and the insurance company you have obtained. As for your personal information, Etiqa takes great care to protect your personal information from being disclosed to authorized parties under the Personal Data Protection Act. Any personal information you provided to Etiqa, such as health information, is with your own consent and without coercion. You are also allowed by Etiqa to access your personal information by completing the access request form available at all Etiqa branches. To obtain the access request form, you can also contact the customer service center or send an email to pdpa@etiqa.com.my. However, you may be charged an additional fee to process the data you requested. Additional note, you can also update your personal information by simply contacting Etiqa for further information.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfahira Atiqa binti Ali. I will present about the features of Motor Takaful by Etiqa. Etiqa Motor Takaful includes third-party liability coverage as part of its offering. This coverage protects you from legal liabilities that may arise due to injury, death, or property damage caused to others while using your insured vehicles. Here are some key points to understand about Etiqa third-party liability coverage. Firstly, coverage for bodily injury.
Unlike starfish, humans can't regenerate after an injury. So, if you cause the injury or death of another person in a car accident, bodily injury liability can cover the associated costs up to your limits of liability. That includes a lawyer if this whole fiasco leads to a lawsuit against you. If you look at your policy, you'll see a per person amount, meaning the max you're covered for a single person, and a per occurrence amount, meaning the max you're covered for the accident, which could include multiple injured people. Minimum required coverage varies by state, but medical bills for multiple people ain't cheap. So, budget permitting, going a step above your state's minimum requirement is probably worth it.
If you are involved in an accident where someone else sustains bodily injuries, Etiqa Motor Takaful will cover the costs associated with medical expenses, hospitalizations, and rehabilitations for the injured party, up to specific coverage limits. Then, coverage for death. In unfortunate cases where an accident leads to the death of another person, Etiqa third-party liability coverage can provide financial compensations to the family or dependents of the deceased, subject to the policy's terms and limits. Last but not least, coverage for property damage. If your insured vehicle causes damage to someone else's property, such as their vehicles, buildings, or other structures, Etiqa Motor Takaful will cover the cost of repairs or replacement of the damaged property up to the limit specified in the policy. Having third-party liability coverage is essential as it protects you from potentially significant financial obligations that may arise from causing harms to others while using your vehicles. It provides peace of mind and ensures that you can fulfill your legal obligation in case of an unfortunate accident. It's important to note that the coverage limits for third-party liabilities can vary depending on the policy you choose by the terms and conditions set by Etiqa. Another features by Etiqa Motor Takaful does offer 24/7 emergency roadside assistance services. These services are designed to provide immediate help and support in case of vehicle breakdowns or emergencies. Some of the common services included in Etiqa roadside assistance coverage may include towing. If your vehicle breaks down and cannot be repaired on the spot, Etiqa roadside assistance service can arrange for your vehicle to be towed to the nearest authorized workshop or a location of your choice. Next, emergency fuel delivery. If you run out of fuel while on the road, Etiqa can arrange for an emergency fuel delivery to ensure you can continue your journey without delays. Additionally, battery jumpstart. In case your vehicle's battery is discharged and needs a jump start, Etiqa roadside assistance team can provide assistance to get your vehicle up and running again. Then, flat tire assistance.
How can I help you?
Something must be stuck in my tire. It's deflated.
Oh, I see. I'll check it out. Please wait in front of the repair shop.
Okay.
If you experience a flat tire, Etiqa roadside assistance can help by sending a technician to replace the tire with your spare or provide temporary tire repair solutions to get you back on the road. These services are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ensuring that you can receive prompt assistance whenever you encounter a roadside emergency. Lastly, Etiqa Motor Takaful provides coverage for loss or damage to your vehicle due to accidental fire, theft, or accidents. Here are some points to understand about the coverage for these incidents. The first coverage is accidental fire. If your vehicle is damaged or destroyed due to an accidental fire, Etiqa Motor Takaful will provide coverage for the cost of repairing or replacing the vehicle up to the coverage limits specified in your policy. However, theft also included. In the unfortunate event that your vehicle is stolen, Etiqa Motor Takaful will cover the loss based on the market value of the vehicle at the time of theft, subject to the terms and conditions of your policy. Last but not least is accidents. Etiqa Motor Takaful also provides coverage for accidental damage to your vehicle resulting from collisions, overturning, or other accidents. The coverage extends to the cost of repairs or replacements of damaged parts, up to the coverage limits outlined in your policy. By having this coverage in place, you can protect yourself financially from the potential cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle in case of fire, theft, or accidents, providing you with peace of mind and financial security. It's important to note that the specific terms, conditions, and coverage limits for loss or damage due to fire, theft, or accident may vary based on the policy you choose and the options available from Etiqa. That's all from me, thank you. I will pass to the next presenter, which is Fitriana.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Fitriana binti Maulan. I will continue the presentation about the benefits of Etiqa Takaful. For your information, Etiqa Takaful offers an attractive benefits related to motor takaful, including free all drivers coverage, no claim access, a great value, and the most important thing is 24-hour emergency road assistance. Etiqa Takaful offers free all drivers coverage. Therefore, there is no need for you to put in any named drivers. All your authorized drivers are automatically covered for free. Secondly, no more claim access when you make a claim. Certain insurers will require you to pay an excess for each and every claim. However, for drivers above 21 years old, Etiqa Takaful does not charge any excess. This means you do not have to pay a portion of the repair cost in the event of an accident. In the event of claim, compensation for a claim is according to the agreed value. This means that you will get the full amount insured in the event of car theft or total loss. Agreed value coverage typically means that the insurance policy will compensate you for the predetermined value of your vehicle in the event of a total loss or theft. This agreed value is typically established at the time of purchasing the insurance policy or during renewal, and it may differ from the market value of the vehicle. Last but not least is 24-hour emergency road assistance. Etiqa Takaful provides 24/7 roadside assistance to its Motor Takaful customers. This service includes emergency roadside repairs, towing, battery jumpstart, and assistance in case of accidents or breakdowns. It offers peace of mind and convenience, especially during unforeseen events. In recognition of Etiqa Takaful Company excellence and effort in customer satisfaction through fast and easy process, this company has been awarded the Best Motor Takaful Company in 2019 by iBanding, an independent insurance education website. I think that's all from our group. Thank you. Bye.